Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme on the music player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the skin theme button under the music stops playing option. And here you can find the different themes and just select one and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.